Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Pink Hub. My name is Henry, and I am so happy to have you here for episode 3 of our English podcast. Today, we are talking about one of my favorite topics in the world, food. But specifically, we are talking about a very special tradition, the family barbecue. What is a barbecue or a barbecue? It is a special event where we cook food outside, usually over a fire. It is a time for family, friends, games, and of course, delicious grilled meat. Imagine it is a sunny Saturday. You're getting ready for the big family barbecue tomorrow. What do you need? First, you need meat. In English, we don't just put the meat on the fire immediately. We have to marinate it. To marinate means to soak the meat in spices, oils, or lemon juice for a long time. This makes the meat very tasty and soft. We say, the chicken is marinated. Now, let's talk about the bread. For a barbecue, we need a special kind of bread called a bun. We have hamburger buns, which are round, and hot dog buns, which are long. Remember that word, bun. And how much food should we buy? We usually buy them in a dozen. A dozen means 12 units. So if I say I bought a dozen hot dogs, it means I bought 12. If I say a couple dozen, it means around 24. Another popular food at a barbecue is the kebab. These are pieces of meat and vegetables on a stick. They are very colorful and fun to eat. But a barbecue is not just about food. It is also about the place. We need lawn furniture. A lawn is the green grass in your garden, and furniture means chairs and tables. So, lawn furniture is the set of chairs we use outside. To cook the meat, we use a grill. The grill is the machine with metal bars and fire underneath. And if it is too hot or if it starts to rain, we set up a tent. A tent is a temporary shelter made of cloth to protect us from the sun or rain. Now, here is a fancy word for you, serviette. It sounds French, right? In British English, a serviette is a paper napkin you use to clean your hands and mouth. And finally, how do we keep the drinks cold? We use a cooler. A cooler is a big plastic box that we fill with ice to keep our drinks and food cold while we are outside. It doesn't need electricity, so it is perfect for the beach or the park. Food is more than just energy. It connects us to our culture. In Italy, people love pizza. In Mexico, they love tacos. In many countries, a barbecue is a symbol of independence and celebration. Now, let's look at some healthy tips. A balanced diet is important. We need proteins from meat and beans, carbohydrates from rice and pasta, and vitamins from fruits and vegetables. Eating healthy helps our bodies stay strong. Before we finish, let's do a quick review of our new words. Marinate, to give the meat flavor before cooking. Bun, special bread for burgers or hot dogs. Dozen, a group of 12. Lawn furniture, chairs and tables for the garden. Cooler, a box with ice to keep drinks cold. I hope you enjoyed this delicious lesson today. Practice these words next time you eat. If you found this episode useful, please click like and remember to subscribe to the Pink Hub. Your support helps me create more videos to help you improve your English. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite food to grill? Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and stay hungry for learning. I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.